welcome back to my channel. For those of you that wanted to see the old dam at Bogwalk, the last time I did a video like maybe 2 years ago, it was difficult for me to come this far, but someone I took the time out to clean this area, chop it out, whatever, and now I can actually come and view the old dam, the ruin of the whole dam. Wow.
What is it?
It's a brilliant idea.
And that's the train line here.
I know.
That's the funnel.
I know.
And when they didn't know that train line was there, when they came to the planning, and the train was cut out. You understand? That was such an exciting thing.
Oh. Yeah man, the train line is right. This is called number, I think it's called number 2 tunnel.
Yes.
It's very long, you know.
Something goes on here.
Very long.
So, and here I like it. So, if you can see, some right here I like it. Right? It's cover fast food. Really good. Entertainment. Western Hemisphere. So, it's fun. Identifying it and utilizing it as our destination within their portfolio is no problem.
Okay.
All of those things, you're going to clean them up. All of them grass, get rid of the water that's going right over. Not easy there, right?
Oh, you could tell me.
Well, down, facilitate hydroelectric plant down there, so where they were taking it, you know, big pipe there, big iron pipe there, right?
So you can see them lock up the top of the
Exactly, right.
but them say what's big enough so some man could actually stand up in it.
8 feet tall.
Wow.
Understand? I think they were cleaning it and I don't know what type of water started coming through it and so 31
of them, yeah. Oh, the same story. Okay.
Same story. Exactly. So because it's just for us to just put together and harness it and Jamaican people will support it.
That's true.
Can you imagine you come all in there so now with your family? You can put here, clean up the here so and put stuff in the Jonathan, do some